Hi, welcome to Beauty Factory Tour, your reliable OEM or ODM cosmetics partner from China. Today, we will take you on an exclusive tour inside a professional makeup factory. Here, the R&D team develops custom formulas using high-quality safe ingredients. The entire production process is highly automated and strictly managed, from raw material inspection to filling and packaging. Every step is designed to ensure quality and hygiene. Many well-known beauty brands have chosen this factory for their reliability, flexibility, and fast delivery. They can produce lip products like lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, children's lip balms, also base makeup products such as cushion comforts, liquid foundations, and brow products including eyebrow pencils, brow powders, and brow gels. It's worth mentioning that they have their own packaging materials factory, which will greatly improve the cooperation efficiency. Still, their employees can take a 15-minute break every 2 hours of work. The factory has also set up an afternoon tea area where employees can drink various fruit juice, such as lemon juice, for free. If you are looking for a reliable OEM or ODM partner for your makeup brand, feel free to reach out for more information. Thanks for joining me on this tour.